Smoke is finally starting to clear. Just a little bit.
Quite a bit, actually.
Yeah.
It's most of what you see out there is fog now.
Yeah, we'll take you down there in a minute.
This knows where we're at. She's ready to hit the beach.
She wants a beach romp. We've been inside mostly for a while now because of the smoke and fires, but yeah, luckily the winds have changed and the smoke is clearing out. And yeah, yesterday was the first day we were able to take Pistol for a decent walk.
I went for a run yesterday, first time in over a week.
Yeah, that's unheard of for you.
It's unheard. It's been probably over 10 years since I've taken a week off. Didn't like it.
Didn't like it. Was it painful when you went to run?
Yeah.
Before the fires hit, we actually went for a crabbing trip in the Yaquina Bay here in Newport. Our friend Joe took us out in his boat, and then we met up at his house, and him and his wife Peggy, she made the most amazing artichoke crab dip. So good. She gave me the recipe, but I was gonna make it and I decided I better not, because if I make it, it's just so good, I'll eat it all. That's the problem.
It's very rich, very decadent, but it is, yeah, just they made some homemade bread.
Good. Yeah.
Glass of wine, bread dipped in this crab artichoke, cheesy goodness.
Yeah.
So that was before the fires, and so we have some footage of that, right?
Yeah. We got a lot of crab. There were two different types of crab. We got Dungeness, and then what was the other one?
Rock crab.
Rock crab, which I'd never tried before. You hadn't tried before. We just kept two of them, and it was a different meat. The texture was different.
Sweeter.
I didn't love it as much, actually. So
no, Dungeness is way better.
Yeah. So we had a lot of those. We just ate a lot with butter, and then did you see that dip at the end? So good. So thank you, Joe and Peggy, for doing that for us.
And then also thank them for they're members of the search and rescue here in Lincoln County, and so they've been up, helping with evacuations and things like that up at the Echo Mountain Fire up north of Lincoln City. So
yeah, volunteers. They're volunteers.
Yeah, they're volunteers of that. We have quite a few friends that are volunteers with that organization. So a lot of great things happened. A lot of good people did a lot of great things this last week. So
yep, and lots more to come with all the rebuilding, and people did lose their homes and stuff. So
yeah. So I'm gonna go surf fishing now.
We'll see if we can catch some dinner. Pistol's gonna go for a beach romp, and then hopefully we'll be doing some more outdoor stuff now that we're able to go outside.
Yay.
Yeah.
I'm not an inside person. If you're an inside person, don't live in a van.
Ooh, one thing though, next video, since we have been kind of trapped inside, Dave, I should say, has been working on a few little van projects. This is a Humble Road custom van, but as we've been in it, there's a few things we wanted to tweak and add, and modifications, and make it our own. Not that this entire thing isn't made just for us, but anyway, so we'll be sharing some of those in the next video up to come. So see you then.
Guess I better get them done. Carry on.
Carry on.